Mastering English. Navigating tech hiccups in communication. Hello learners. Today we are going to discuss a topic that's not only relevant to our daily lives but also extremely important in our technologically driven world. Dealing with poor connections and technical issues during telephone and video calls. These situations can be frustrating, but they're commonplace in our digital world, so it's essential to handle them with grace and effectiveness. Before we dive into the solutions, let's understand the common issues that we might face. These could be a poor internet connection, audio or video lag, echoing sound, or the software application not working as expected. It's important to stay calm and patient during these issues, as it's likely the other person is also experiencing the same problem. The first step to resolving the issue is to express the problem clearly. Phrases like, "I think we have a bad connection," "Your voice is breaking up," or "The video seems to be freezing," are polite ways to inform the other party about the problem. Remember, it's essential to be clear and concise with your communication during these situations. Once the problem is identified, suggest a solution. This could be as simple as, "Let's try reconnecting the call," or "Can we switch off the video to improve the bandwidth?" It's important to be proactive and propose solutions rather than just waiting for the problem to resolve itself. Technical glitches can cause frustration, but it's important to stay patient and understanding. Phrases like, "Don't worry," "These things happen," or "Take your time," "We can wait," can help in creating a positive atmosphere despite the challenges. Remember, patience and empathy go a long way in maintaining good communication. If the problems persist, rescheduling might be the best option. Politely suggest this with phrases like, "It seems we're having continued issues. Can we reschedule this call?" Remember to suggest a new time or ask for the other person's availability. This shows respect for their time and schedule. And there we have it. Dealing with poor connections and technical issues is not just about having the technical know-how but also about mastering communication, patience, and empathy. Remember, the key is to stay calm, communicate clearly, and suggest solutions. The aim is to ensure effective communication, no matter the circumstances. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Happy learning and don't let those tech hiccups bring you down.